big cuckoo bird wants to eat me.
Uh-oh. We need something to rescue Donna from the big cuckoo bird.
We need a mouse-tool. Quick, everybody say, "Oh, toodles!
Oh, toodles!
Which mouse-tool can help us rescue Donna from the big cuckoo bird?" Well, can 3 balls help rescue Donna from the big cuckoo bird? Nah. How about the carton of milk?
I don't think so, Mickey. We might just throw it at the big cuckoo bird.
And that box isn't any help either. That means it's time to use the mystery mouse-tool. Everybody say, mystery mouse-tool.
Mystery mouse-tool.
What's today's mystery mouse-tool?
It's the glove balloon. Wait, how can the glove balloon rescue Donald from the big cuckoo bird? Oh, yeah. Donald could run to the glove balloon and hop in, and we can save him.
We got ears. Say Wonderland cheers.